Welcome to SIMATIC S7-200 data logging. The data log function enables you to save process values to an external memory module and to read them out using a PPI, Profibus, modem or Ethernet communication. As an example, you will configure a S7-200 PLC, record two temperatures with timestamp, and then visualize these values on a second computer using PPI communication. The following steps will explain how to configure the data log wizard and to download the project components from Step 7 Micro into the PLC. The temperatures are simulated by the analog adjustment potentiometers of the S7-200 PLC. The recording is activated by input 0.0. Finally, the recorded process data are read out in the S7-200 Explorer through a USB PPI cable and visualized in Microsoft Excel. The task includes the 6 steps described below. Step 1. Configuring the data log wizard in Step 7 Micro. Open the data log wizard in Step 7 Micro. Select recording of the time and date stamp. Assign a name and data type that matches the values to be recorded. Select the start address of the memory area. Finish the data log wizard. Step 2. Creating the program code. Programming the operation block. Network 1. Transfer the dedicated special memory bytes of the analog potentiometers on every program scan to the addresses selected in the data log wizard. You find these addresses by right-clicking and selecting the symbol. Network 2. Activate the data writing by a positive edge of input 0.0. Step 3. Downloading the project components to the PLC. Download the project to the PLC. Select in the download options also the data log configurations. Stop the PLC to transfer the data. Place the PLC in run mode again. Step 4. Changing and recording the process values. For the data log function, the use of a memory module is indispensable. The temperatures are simulated by the analog adjustment potentiometers of the S7-200 PLC. The recording is started by activating input 0.0. Activate the first recording by setting input 0.0 and reset it again. Change the simulated temperature 0 by turning analog adjustment potentiometer 0. Activate the second recording by setting input 0.0 and reset it again. Change the simulated temperature 1 by turning analog adjustment potentiometer 1. Activate the third recording by setting input 0.0 and reset it again. Step 5. Setting the PC interface and uploading in the S7-200 Explorer. Call up the PC interface settings in the S7-200 Explorer. Select the PPI cable. Open the properties. Activate Advanced PPI. Go to Local Connection. Select USB. Select the CPU. Select the memory cartridge. Upload DAT configuration 0 from the CPU by clicking the right mouse button. Step 6. Visualizing the recorded values in Excel. For more information about SIMATIC S7-200, please have a look at this internet address.